International Gogonola Popular where yo go Osu anyone so Osu Obasan Iyen Louis wa mutiame Oguje Ogoya gbepo Ogoya popo Ogoya kalute Ogoya kalute no wi o kalute no wi me Oguje Ogun bang Ogoya kalute no wi me Ogun nere Ogun name Ogoya kalute no wi me Ogunje Gwagwara Ogoya kalute Ogun kalima Okalima bi Ogun ayaye
Let's go there, make una share, make una cause is scam. Everybody should share this video. This man is a scam. This man here is a scam. Share this video, it's going to help you. It's going to help you. If you are on Facebook, share this video. If you are on TikTok, share this video. Share this video, share this video, share this video. Share this video, share this video. If you are on Facebook, if you are on TikTok, share. So that you will not fall a victim to this scam. This man here is a scam. Share. Come and know him. Come and know him so that you don't fall into his 419. Share this video, guys. This man is still my hand for Germany. My hand for Germany. Share this video. Share this video. Let this video go viral. Only Tiffy don't come. Tiffy for Facebook. For TikTok, for YouTube, this man, James is his name. James. Share this video, guys. This man is a 419, is a scammer. In Germany here, we don't need 419. In Europe, we don't need 419. This man is a 419. This man is a 419. He play people money. He's a 419. Share this video, guys. Share. Share, guys, share. Let it go viral. Share, guys. Share this video, guys. Share. Facebook, thank you. You guys are amazing. Please share. Facebook, help me to share. This man need to go viral. He's a 419. He's a scammer. He's a thief. Share this video, guys. Please share this video so that you will not fall a victim. You not fall into this mass scam. This man is a scammer. He lives here in Germany. He based here in Germany, precisely Mannheim City, Germany. Mannheim City. Please, he's a scammer. This man is a scammer. He's a 419. He's a criminal. This is what the European call criminal. This man is a criminal. He frauded those people. He fraud Nigerians. Share this video, guys. Facebook, share. God bless you guys. I can see you are sharing. Facebook, help to share. Tiffany, please help to share Facebook. People like this, we need to show them to people. Or else tomorrow you can go and fall a victim. You can fall a victim tomorrow. Facebook, thank you. Share. Facebook, share, please. Share, please. Please share, Facebook, share. At least we want 100 people to be watching. 100 should be watching on Facebook. 100. TikTok, go ahead, please. If you are watching on TikTok, this man behind me. This man behind me is a scammer. So this man is a scammer behind my back. On TikTok, he's a scammer. He's a 419. He's a criminal. He's a fraudster. In Europe, we don't want this type of man here in Europe. He's a fraudster, he's a scammer. His name is called James. I think he's a Yoruba man. He's not a Minima by tribe. He's a Yoruba person. Everybody should share this video so that you will not come a victim of this idiot anything, anytime. Because if you don't share this video tomorrow, you can become a victim of this animal. He's an animal. Let's go there, guys. Let's go there, guys. You can do more than this on Facebook. You can do more than this on TikTok. Share, guys. Share. It's a scammer. If you are watching video like this, you did share video like this, eh? In fact, you only come out every one million say, share this video. Come and know this scammer. It's a scammer. Share this video for sharing. It's a scammer. Double tap for me for TikTok. Double tap. It's a scammer. Facebook, share. You can do more than this Facebook. God bless you people watching on Facebook. Please, you can do more than this. Share. We need people to know him. He's a scammer. He's a criminal. James is his name. Yeah, this music is sung by Egogonola, popular everywhere. Wait. Yes, thank you very much. God bless you. Omonogi, Egogonola, popular everywhere. My people, una good evening. Edo we usome asokoko eho nonya origweso. Metobi me e para me ya wefe. Na me myself na I can cry come out. So me myself I cry come out. Because this one is beyond my power alone. That is why I bring it out to everybody to join me to fight this battle. This animal that you are seeing on this platform, I don't know him before, my people. This animal, this man called James, is an animal, a criminal, a 419, a scammer. I don't know her before. I beg my people, make una share. Make una share, I beg. Do me a favor, share this video. If you are watching on TikTok, double tap. Go ahead, double tap on TikTok and share this video. You can be a victim of this animal tomorrow. You can be a victim of this criminal tomorrow. This is a criminal. Somebody who could gather more than 100 people and pack all of their goods, all of their bail, all the way, say, and they carry load goods, they go Africa. At the end of the day today, no, if anybody receive their own. People will receive their own, not it too. Wait, can't do the rest. We don't know, my people. Then you want to tell me you are not happy to know somebody like this? So that tomorrow you will not become a victim of this animal, this criminal. So please share this video, guys. Share this video for me, please. Share this video for me. Share this video for me, please. If you are watching on TikTok, please double tap for me. TikTok, thank you. I can see now so I don't share. I beg. Facebook, what is going on? Help me to share, even though the page get restriction. I know if you go because of this criminal now go they run, they open new page. No. Now this page now don't they use since 9 years. And now I still go they use, they go. But please, initial like this, help to share. Help to share, let it go viral. So before I go straight to this show, this man, I go disgrace you. In fact, till the last day where I go come up for this earth. Now I go leave you. Except you don't come solve my issue where I get with you. Except you don't come settle me. The problem where I get with you, we don't come solve one. If we don't solve one, till death take me come up for this world, I go make sure I disgrace you to the last day. My people, this animal where I put for here, so I don't know her before. My people, now me they talk so a para me ya wefe. Una know say you know they concern me concern person. Una know say you know they concern me concern person. Before you see me in a mood like this, you will know that maybe somebody don't come my feed, somebody don't come my territory. That is my life. This man wait there here, so my people, as soon as they see her for Facebook, so as soon as they see the picture for TikTok. For TikTok, now the man did my back, so this animal. For Facebook, this is the criminal here on the screen. I don't know her before. As I they talk, they call my people. Now my friend, wait there here, I not calling name for bad thing. with his wife, Mr. Claim, happens to be a husband to Lady Esoe, a family sister to my wife. Now this family now introduce this animal to us, this criminal. Now we call this family say, abeg, una know somebody where they carry things, they go Africa. Now they say yes, they know person where they carry goods, they go Africa. Now I say, abeg, if una know the person, make una give me the person number. Now they say na ma. Now they go send the number for me, my people. Now I come ask them, say, how much this man take they carry kilo, they go Nigeria. Now they say the man not they carry load by kilo, the man they carry bail. Bail. I don't know whether una know, some of una here understand what it be bail. Bail. Now they call am bail. That bag go plenty where you go fill and load down. Now I come say, how much did they pay for this bail? He said €100. Now the man they collect. But if the bail too big, the man feel they like go charge you 120. Now I say, okay, thank you. Send me the man number, my people. Now so this family, this my friend, my brother, Mr. Claim, he can send me the man number. As he sent me the man number, me myself can call the man. As I call her, I greet him. Now you be James. He say yes. Oh, TikTok, God go bless una for TikTok. We don't get 100 plus they watch for TikTok. TikTok, this man I found one now. Oh, this man wait there my back. Now I found one now. They stay journey here for my hand. Una not give her money. Make una not give her clothes. Make una not give her car. Make ship go Nigeria. Oh. Now I call the man. As I call the man, I greet him. I say yes. Now they do the business. Now I say okay. I go get bail where I want give you. He say I must carry and come a place. If I not carry and come a place, now he want come this side, I will have €20, just €100. Now, of course, okay, but see family, wait, give me your number. He said, yes, he really know them. Now I say, but this family, they want to carry. I go carry my own, go join their own. Go carry all of them for that side once. Now, the man can say, okay. Now, so I can't arrange all my clothes. Even my dear wife, pack all her whole clothes, new ones, jewelries. He pack everything inside. My people, I enter my wardrobe, I enter my luggage. Clothes where I don't they gather for almost 5 years come. Say, I want to go sell for Nigeria, then some, I go dash them to my family. I had all of them. Some, I go give them to my orphanage home. I have had everything. Plus new native of my wife. Una know say all these women, once they're so native, they wear them once, they know they wear them twice again. All native where my wife pack for inside this bail. My wife not touch it 2 times. Now only one times now all of them. Plus jewelries. He put all of them inside this bag. Now I can use car. I can carry and go this family house. As I reach this family house, the man not there yet, so that my friend like my brother. Now the man even understand that person. He helped me load down. That one I sweat. That one I walk. Then that day, that man get a whole 2 bag. Then there was other man there where still they load the whole there. It could be 4 or 5 bag. Now this criminal want go carry for that house that night. As I don't prepare my home, I give my friend €100 where he want give man. Since the bill don't complete where the man want carry, you know, can collect €20 again. Go can collect €100. Can not be only one I want to carry because the man first say if now only my home want to carry, I'll have €20 journal. But since we can't carry all of them now to one place, you want to carry all of them there, no need of that €20. I can't give my friend €100. My friend, my brother, when this man tell they deliver these goods. And my friend I call the house now and they know I pass. Now they say it they take maybe 2-3 months. But this goods go reach house. It go reach my family hand before New Year. When did I give this man this goods there? Can you remember? I can't give this man this babe. This man can't carry this babe before December. And this man say they go see this babe before Christmas. My people, if you know say you know this man away dirty talk, please, if you know say you give this man load, he don't carry go house, your load no reach us, please call on this platform. Call me Mr. Aramiya if you dey watch for Facebook, you know say you know this man, you don't give am goose, and your goods no reach house, I want me to tell you say no hope again. Na 419. Somebody tell me say na so they do am. If they gather people property, I don't know, say my law can run against me. This time when the man want a thief, now the time of my own. They say at times he go deliver, at times he go say goods lost. They say this is how the man has been running the business. If he carry today, he go reach house. If he carry another trip, he go say na so ship not reach house. Either he go say na so custom season. I don't know, say my whole can't join the main month where they play the 419. If una know so na no James where they stay for Germany, they stay for Mahan, na him be this one for TikTok. Na him dey my bar for TikTok. For Facebook, na the man be this. I know this man, I don't know whether na Benin. I never see him for ground, but I think seeing this animal, seeing this 419, seeing this criminal, I know this man is not a Benin man. It's either other tribe, I don't know. But you know me say na because not be Benin, because na other tribe. No, I just use one and the judge say he's not a Benin person. So my people, now we call day today where we say we dey February now. I go call this man, I just call short and the man can't carry load come out. As the man don't carry load come out, I call here after we call the load never reach out, the load never reach out. We don't dey worry, don't pass ever. Inside January here now, I come see here say my friend, my brother come say they say the load don't reach Lagos, so make I still bring money where they want it from there, transport my own reach Benin. How much? About 20-something thousand. Join the €100 why I don't fair pay. Instantly, I transfer 20-something thousand. When the load one reach Benin, they say go reach the next maybe the next bus or the next day. My people, now we day today. I can't call this man direct to the WhatsApp number where I get here. The man saying I saw custom Holland, the one way deliver. People will get their home for Abuja. They receive their home. You know understand our home now. Custom season for New Lagos Road. This man, I be don't give up for I be don't give up to police for Benin. But this man can't guess we talk. Tell police say he go deliver the goods. Now make police leave him. Police be don't track him for Benin. Police talk with him. They be don't track him. He himself talk with police for Benin. As the thing don't tough reach my people, I be don't give this man to police for Benin. I wish they be don't track him. But this man called the tell those police, maybe they beg. Say he not be 419, he not be criminal. Say na custom for New Lagos Road. Now he seize this property. They say may he come bring 100 million. And they say may he bring 500 million. So he go settle them. Say problem not dey. So day like this, he go deliver the goods to the owner. Then all these police officers, they were pleased. They not get choice to tell me, say, Mr. Ajebor, look at what this man said. We already get him. We already track him. We already talk with him. So please exercise patience. Now we call this is them, my people. I go call him, he go pick. I go call him, he no go pick. The day where he go pick, he go tell me, say, and tomorrow, call me tomorrow. My people, I go call him tomorrow, he no go pick. The day where he go pick, he go say, call me weekend. My people, weekend go reach, I go call him, he no go pick. The day where he go pick, he go say, call me 3 days ago. Till about last 3 weeks here. Now I come verse, play voice note to him, say, I want to strike you for social media. Any person where do bad, now social media, now they talk to my here. So that made them for know you. I want to tell people, say, you be thief. He say, I beg, say, he not be thief. That he's still trying to do it. I will see my property. I will see this one. Please, I should just give him the last weekend. I should take his word. If I say, I say that weekend reach, say, you know, in fact, make I not worry. Now you want come, go deliver my goods for me. My people, now we day today. Up till now today, I don't see this man. I don't see my bail. Now today, now I come to hear say, my people, this man don't come back to Germany. Wait till we give this man. If I sit down and calculate, the one way I calculate my people to the worth of what we gave to this man is almost about 5 million. 5 million to 5 million plus naira. I know they talk about the small 100 euro, no. Or the small 25,000, no. I am talking about what was inside the bail. The property, the goods, the clothes, the shoes, the necklace, the bag. Wait, they inside that bail. If I go fit calculate and don't make mistake, it's about 5 million to Nigeria money, my people. If you not pass, my wife don't even say go pass. My people, nowadays, so now this man just play me like this. Say I don't go see anything do. This man James where they mind him, he say I don't go see anything do, my people. Now I say make I call you and start today Today, I want you to start a preamble. I dey come promise you today, James, this video, I know say you go see that 24 hours. Get her for mind, say, now only death, now want make me leave you. I go to describe it to the whole world, they go every day. Let the whole world know that you are a criminal. Even the German will know you are a criminal. Because you dey play people money, you dey play people property, say you dey carry goods, they go Africa. Nigeria people where they abroad, they give you goods. At the end of the day, you know they deliver their goods. You are a criminal. You are a criminal. You are not supposed to live in this land. A criminal like you, James, you are not supposed to live in any side of the European country. You cannot be frauding the same Nigeria like you, who is strongly. I'm a hustler. I mean, I just been my way they struggle now. I you come now, you carry my property just like that. A home me. Me. So you feel say you go play me my goods, my properties, then you go free. Not be only social media I want beat you. Not be only social media I want disgrace you, James. So as I dey start to the disgrace you today, I want go lay curse. I know they summon you. I want just go the lay curse upon your head. You go know say I be typical Benin man. Ajelala oridiano nyason asigidi no gyobo ehi aya go even. Ohosa ehi aga neru yu ohun eru emi teme eru idobo eru osowo eru igbe eru imu okin adekuwe. If you strong, you go they affect too close to you. You never see anything, James. I tell you this evening why I talked to you just now. Now I say now my horn. Now go be the last one. You never know you jump. Women say fire my baby. Go ask the woman where say I can't sleep with her. Why I say no? Go ask her the problem where they face today. Women say fire your baby. You know menaga me ya ofe. I come James, I go use you as an example. You go cry if not. You know, even read 2 years, you say, I say, you yourself, you cry, come out for social media. This one, I just preamble. Guys, give me 1 second. Let me drink water. Okay, I'm with glass, Eladia. Uwu dori not bekadi, okay, agbuwe. James, but let them translate this to you. Uwu dori no bekandie oke agboe. Egbonu welayo lareni weri lase kebasu popa egege waremono esage weno oke awajogun wa bebe nugun azasa. Tell them that they translate out to you. This one I preamble. Now be this one. I go do you rich like that. You go to see my hand for body say now me they give you problem. If I feel give you waiting worth 5 million where you carry so you not deliver RAM, you know if you tell me say I don't see 2 million to destroy your life. I go destroy your life. I go make you your day this life go to smell. And for Facebook, I go to let people know say you are a criminal. Make them know they give you load carry go house again. Listen, if you are watching on TikTok, you see this man behind me here. He's a criminal. His name is called James. Don't give him loads to take home. You might luck might run against you. It go be the time we want to thief your home. Now you take give up. Because there's some people say they deliver. But some people say they still not be today start to say chips for car get accident. I don't know say my own luck run against me. Now the time wait till they play people now me can't take give up. And not be say I can't talk now say they never see wait somebody never give us something say he never carry go out. But people where you talk about time where don't call me say at times he go deliver, but at times he go say ships where so say he go say car get accident. No, this is how this man is be running this business. You think you can come here to use another person's sweat to go to build mansion for your country your state where you did for Nigeria be? Then you go get peace, my brother. James, I go zaza you. You go to see my hand for body say this man whether they call you know how they call me Ajebor. Oh Lord yadi. Yeah, ya working. Yeah, working. Or we cannot there. No Lord yadi. Make them translate believe why they speak to you. And I know say as you they take people money so you go to do juju. But me not be person where they take they use juju, take they defend themselves. I said, go ask that person. I felt mention somebody. Go ask her. Go ask am, say, go ask the woman how you be, how market be for your life now. Now, so I go make your life dey miserable. So, my people, if you are watching me on Facebook, this man here, name is James. He lives here in Germany. He based in Mannheim precisely. TikTok, if you are watching me, this man behind me here on my back, his name is James. He is stay here. Germany, we city where they call Mannheim. I beg, except you get how you tell you see your money. Now you want to go to give this man goose, make the carry go us. Don't give this man money. Don't give this man goose. Don't give this man car. This man is not any agent. This man is just a 419. He's just a 419. Yes, and remember, USAG. This man is just a 419 and he's a criminal. I cannot suffer to go and bought me and my wife goods that worth almost 5 million plus. Give her to somebody, make carry go Africa. This man go just sell my properties. Go just sell my goods. Go call tell me story for abroad, my people. Just like that. Not be only my own, no. And they hear now say some people goods they way worth 18 million. Probably waiting this man gather together, so it's more than 200 to 200 million. My people, now they see the way all these people think they rich. Somebody say they did it to me 2022 in Amsterdam. You see how this is how they are making their money. They go fair they deliver. They go fair they deliver. They go fair they deliver. You understand? But if you don't say now, they'll come turn everything once. They'll come turn everything once. Then they'll come take the whole money. You understand, my people? They'll come take the whole money once. Use and achieve what they want to achieve. So please, if you are watching me on Facebook, this man day Mannheim. Now Mannheim it day. Today, now we just start this my program. So now today will be this one where they write. Now today now we start this man program. So today now we start this man program. This man, I go really talk about you till I come up for this word. Because this one and I waiting I give you now. What that 5 million? Other people all day wait what 18 million. Wait, be say they tell me 6. Calculate 5 million plus to month plus 18 million. We don't talk about 23 million naira Nigeria money. Where you take. You come here now, you not tell me say you want to give me my money. You not tell me say you want to settle me, nothing like that. When last I talked to you, they Benin, I they ask you just now say you don't come Germany, you don't talk say yes or no. My brother, I go worry you. Let me tell you, go mark my word. If you get juju way strong, tell them say one man where they call God Ajebor saying go popo you, I go trouble you. Let me tell you, go mark him. As far as say this thing where you take, this goods where you take, so not be your own, my brother, you go get problem. You go to sleep, they see coffee. You go to sleep, they see say they bury you. You go to see them. If you wake, now accident, I go to face you. Now go be your portion front or back. Let me talk. You never see. You never see. Oh, you never see. Oh, like preamble now we did today. Preamble. I know. Say you go see this. You go see this message. You know. Say this man not the play. We don't start them. We don't start the war. The war have started. This is a preamble. The war have just started. The war is start. Okay. So guys, I say I call you this video advice owner. I say I call you this video advice owner. If you know say you they see your money they pick for ground, continue to give this man goose. Continue buy car, give and say me shipment for you. Now you know. You wait there to talk. You they watch me. If you know say you they see money for ground, continue to give this man goose. Continue go buy car, give am a ship, go Nigeria. Now you know. This man now don't do me now, not be let me do. Person don't tell me say he won't see this highway worth almost 18 million Nigeria money, naira. Plus me they talk my own way be 5 million naira plus. That is 23 million plus. We never know now other person. As we don't start this program, maybe people now call the couple say they still give am goose. Because this incident happened before December here. And we don't do February so. So my people, now because I can't show una this man. So now say I can't tell una now. Alright, so that's it. Yes, thank you very much. Fosa, thank you for Facebook. God bless you. God bless you for Facebook. My say whether official the bay, some of them not know bay una they talk about. My say whether official show una. Where I find this bay just now. See, I just now maybe did this for what they do broadcast up. My next episode tomorrow, I will show it to you guys. So make una see wetin I dey talk. Make una see wetin I dey talk about. You people should beware of this man. James is his name. James. I don't know his tribe. I don't know. Okay, it's a Yoruba man. Okay. James na be name, na Yoruba man. Okay? You people should beware of him. If I dey get problem for TikTok for your issue, I'll dey do one for Facebook and YouTube alone. I know say this TikTok you get as the amatabi o. Get the amatabi. People send me requests. I don't quick bring a come. If you know this man, please, you have give this man goods to take home. Please call me. All of us can join hands together. More disgrace unto the world. I don't get patient rich. You have to come out and tell me how you're going to solve this. Or else, like I said, I am going to continue to be disgracing you. If you be person where they see 10 million naira every year, at least you can't see 2 million naira. That's why I go tell you this Facebook destroy you rich. Then you go know say yeah, the saga reduce you. I can't allow you to continue to be frauding people. You are a fraudster, a criminal, and a 419. They look for the video of the bay, you know. Tomorrow I'll bring them out. I'll bring them out tomorrow. If I bother fear cool lu e wa gbon nu do love kan ederi or we can ederi or ye wa gbon. Nu do sun wo we den e we ro wa. Nu do gbe wo mo, nu do gbe wi go. Nu do me mo wa gbon. Demand or punish you. My say whether I'll see the video, make a show now. Abo fie kun lulu e wagbon we bede mami ege ya mwe la diansin. Nou gbe o wagbon James. Pekpene zigo do emi no see where digin ba be dagmo we ya. You never see something o. I know leave you. Social media. See, he don't write me say don't they see say I did live. See, he don't they write me. He don't they write me now. They tell me, oh, you never know anything. This is what we call social media. This is what we call social network. I think they don't tell you this. This is preamble. I don't need your preaching, no. I don't need your preaching. All this thing where you tap here. I know why you say custom seize your custom, not seize your. Custom seize your load. You don't come Germany. Go sell your property, may you give me my money. Oh. Go sell your property, may you give me my money. Go sell your property. Oh. Now let me want to talk to you. Now the paper will get 18 million. They never come out. Oh. They never come out. Oh. Which shall come be custom or no custom? Is it not your business? Okay, so you never they register Rama, you they carry load where they worth 200 million they from Germany, they go Africa. You never register. Then you still they call it say custom. As you there, Jenny, so call me, my brother. Say I want to settle you. 5 million plus, 9 day waiting, I give you.
6 million.
Okay, 6 million. 9 day waiting, I give you according to our calculation. As you call now, my brother, say money where I get. Then we go start from there. Me will not be businessman. I not be businessman. When me travel go as years ago, somebody knows say they go house. He said, my brother, help me do this thing. Give somebody like this. When they take that money from my neck, I pay. I pay back. I pay. I'm not a businessman. I not be person where they transport money go Africa.
You're not paying, man.
I not pay. You dey hear my wife they talk. I not pay me. I pay finish. Today, me and the person we are like brother. That is a relationship. I not let one die remain. I pay. Today, me and the person, we are like a brother. I not be even friend again, brother.
Now you say me you help on the final. I don't want to draw custom. Don't worry, you will go Benin again. You will go Nigeria again. Don't worry. Now they will pick you.
See what they call the right for me.
We will wait the case again. Don't worry.
You know, so you know say this one go happen. So I go draw you. I go draw you. Go down. James, you don't know. You don't watch me now. You don't tell me now. Say you see me for media. This is the power of network. This is the power of social media. If you fail, they get 10 million every year.
They take video you as you take proof for cycle. You will know evidence there.
As you, if you fail, they get 10 million every year. 10 million every year. I go draw you, go down. You go to get 1 million. That one not be set. That one not be set back. Now set back now, James. Now, a businessman where they carry 200 million, 300 million things, goods they go Africa. Then you never register with Nigeria custom. You are a 419, James. I give you goods. You say you are taking goods to Nigeria. We are saying it with English. Now Europe with this so. I give you goods. You ask me to pay you money, I pay you money. Then why don't you deliver my goods? Why did you steal my goods? Meaning you are a 419, James. You are a thief. You are a criminal. Who know if you even license the company here in abroad?
You don't sell everything.
James, if me I see you for Germany, I go hold you. Police go combo. You just say I be immigrant when not get paper. You just say I be foreigners when not get document for abroad. Except I don't see you, brother. Let me tell you, if I see you, brother, na police want settle us that day. If I see you, James, na police want settle us. and you are going to put yourself into a problem the more, because I go tell police, see what you do, they go investigate you if you dey pay tax for that business what you do. You cannot be doing illegal business at the end of the day, collecting Nigeria people money. They use and go to enrich yourself for your state, for Nigeria. For what reason?
You just spend 3 months for Nigeria. Don't be say you sell people property.
They seize your loan, you spend 3 months for Nigeria. What you gonna do for Nigeria? You don't feel claimer. You don't sell your house, you go to settle custom. Eh?
Money where they use money take carry for your hand. Load rich house. You say more will still pay money when you want to plan for car. They still give you money.
Don't please, Egbe woman.
You can't say the load lost like that.
Every 5 billion money, my brother.
You never see anything. When your body don't hurt you, you will know say that people like give you loads.
I'm a very wrong here 18 million naira.
You can't go anywhere you want work.
Now we may want send it now. My woman no back bali anywhere there.
You all rich. We not offend you. You will see the one way you will see for body.
My brother, not be only social media. I want to do your thing. Oh. You they watch me now. I want the Lakers upon your head. I have to say the truth. I'm not hiding telling you the battle I'm going to battle with you. No, because now my property. Now you still so they know now because they watch me. You don't tap to me now. This one are you writing to me, James. Now what you tap to me with this one now. So you cannot tell me now that you are not watching me. You are watching me. So there's no need of me now to lie. I not go lie. I go the lay cost to you. Lay cost to you. If you strong, that cost go follow close to you. If you strong, that cost go follow who close to you. Thank God now I don't get almost your family picture. Take my own, look for me, who know me, take my family picture, go lay cost as well. But if me I ever steal your property, if I have ever took your slippers to Nigeria as a trolley, as a import and export, I even collect money from you to claim it in Lagos, and I did not deliver it, my brother, cost that cost like that too. That cost her like that, because I saw me want to cost my own. You say you dey carry goods go house, I give you goods. So although say people where I give goods, now they can't give you, which is my brother Mr. Clem and his wife. Even Mr. Clem. You understand? So I'm going to lay this course like that, my brother. This is how I am going to be laying this course. I told you this evening when we talk, say now my own, that will be the last one. Now so my head, be my head. You see me so, this my small mat, this my small head, it is scatter everywhere. Me, if fire will be. Me na me ya we me they translate this bin where they speak to you. Women also fire my be now my own I go be the last one. If you fair they steal people January to December, every December you they fair they make 20 million, so they make 2 million, I don't finish. 18 million is going to go to river. Then you know say it's the end. I go do you rich like that, you go they sleep, you go they day inside coffee. They go they bury you alive. Because now my property now you take so my property. I go do you rich like that. You if you strong, you go bad before your time. James, let me tell you. This one not be say at the top to no, now my sweat now you thief so. I know they fight for somebody now. This one I me para me ya ofe. This I know they fight for person. Now my whole property I they fight for so my own. Who me me? What you they tap to me? What you they write? What you be this one where you write? Custom. Luga gaga. What was Luga gaga? Do you even know how to write? If you don't know how to write, you use phone to translate. What is this custom? We go one to use assist. Which custom go want to assist you for 4 months? Did they worry this man? What me? Not me. Give mama.
I don't get it. What are you not for?
Oh, back better. When we meet oh, better. Hey, social media meeting, Besha. Don't read it out. Give mama. Social media meeting, Besha. Ah, no. I never even start to talk about you. You don't hear say they talk about you. I've never even start talking about you. I've never start talking about you. Friday Odobo. Abella, the only one Abella. Hope we are not going to say UK. Abela Hotel, Ikeja, Lagos. Only one Abela. The man who did traditional marriage in Nigeria with more than 70-something million. Only Friday at Ajebor. Abela, the only one Abela. Abela, a man I found one and off him go. Off him about 5 million, 5 to 6 million naira a bay, mamun a bay. You carry on my property, go give your wife, make your wife they say. Me. You never know what you put hand though. I go worry you. You know get peace, so I'll carry you waka well. A craze. I'll soon leave you now. Obey no me. Give me. That you want to tap to me say you all this pistock. Water don't pass Gary. You see what is writing to me here. Listen, imami ekponi ni te show my man. I beg my people. Make una not give her load again. Oh, make una not give her load again. This man don't collect my load. Collect one of our family friend load. Oh, wait, what almost 20-something million? We never see him. This one is the one we don't know. As you dey write to me now, say custom. Quick custom James. But this 5 million plus properties bail where you carry so you no get what you go do me. But you go get problem we pass that money. I mean tell you go mark am. From this time where you play me so, you dey fall into problem from problem to problem. You never know me. Ya know when no bekan no ya know. You can become go and ask. Go and tell them they tell you my history. Abola we gbe wa gbon o asun we den e woro wa. My so do amu ebo gbo e. My do amu ebo gbo e James. James, I never call the Lagos on you. You get where I go do and read one. If I don't do and reach 1 month, you go the day where it go be 31 days. I'll call you wear red. Now I can take better cost on you your head with my mouth. 7 alligator pepper. Avio ya mwebo gbo e. Wa avie o aga bere we wogun gbo e. You dey sleep, you dey dream say you they bury you alive. Ikpepenesi go do me amu gbo e. Make the translator to you. Ikpepenesi go do me. He get juju wey be say no dey pay before he see dead body. Now I want to kill you by you. You are a 419, a criminal, armed robber. So you just a carry people load, say you be importer and exporter. You dey ship car. Now so you tell me say you dey ship car. You just have been want give you car, make ship. Me I know the carry car go Nigeria. Me I not be fans of Nigeria where they drive car that side though. Why you not come tell me say you want ship car my car here from miles to my hand? Why? You say I be Mugu way want to give you car. Then you can't tell me say you get accident for inside wharf. I call they drag you money. Thank God we don't start on today. I'll leave you. The work don't start today. I beg people will know this guy. Thank God we have almost about 170 watching on TikTok. Facebook, thank you very much. God bless you all for your support. Now cry, now I can't cry, call. I beg, make una not leave me put oh. I can't cry, can't give people wey get power. I can't cry, can't give people wey not get power. I cry, give pastors. I cry, give juju people. I cry, give witch. I cry, give Obaname. I beg, make una ask this man, this James. Make una help me ask Sam oh. Make una help me ask Sam. Make una give am problem. Wey be say, he go dey remember, say wetin they do people not good. If he's strong, make una push that problem to the next person to ram. If he's strong, because people where they do like this, and they get money where they protect themselves for Nigeria. As he's strong, I they complain to to the gods, I beg, make una push those problems, una push am to the next person to run. Now, una know the next person we una fit give am that problem to, so that this guy no go get peace. But just mark you, if I see you for Germany here, except you kpai me o. If you not kpai me, I not go leave you. I go hold you. My police go come settle police. I must hold you. Get am for my see wetin I talk. Cut this video, cut and go give police. I go hold you. You play me for 1 night. You play me for 1 night. I give you money. You say you dey take go Nigeria. I give you goods. You say they take go Nigeria. You even tell me say they shift car go Nigeria self. As I dey talk and you, so I want to tell police. The day where I go hold you, where police will come. If I hold you, if police not come, I not go leave you. Now police go settle us that they say man each other go their way. But get up for mine. Say if I see you, I must hold you.
You will come home from Nigeria. You see the right say in the custom if they can't release the load. Shame will
Vera no gay. Happy Valentine to you and my wonderful mommy. Oh, longest.
Punish you. I'll see you for anywhere. You don't sell property finish. Now you work on the right street word.
Okay. Somebody they talk now say you still scam out.
Okay, exactly.
Okay. Okay.
Let on the year. We'll let on the year.
Okay. Scam here why you film I go have a webo. More than you get look by the Facebook key. Oh man, no scam me with 7.8 million naira. More dear talking who get mama more. That is why we are here. That is why we are here. That person will scam you 7.8 million. Bring her come here. I play this your voice.
Valentine to you and my wonderful mommy. Oh, longest time. I did now the family, our body. Well, I just see your update. So, Big Daddy, they don't scam me the way they sister scam me too. Hey, now wow. All these people stuff, they're not even the fear face. They don't scam you.
He hold me. Hey, Baba.
I want to see your update. So, who carry your goods?
Huh?
I say you never know.
Now, so me as a siamo, who me sit to do godmother. I just say maybe now one kind. I type for
godmother why with you now?
Person doesn't scam you. The person doesn't scam me 7,800,000 naira for Nigeria.
7,800,000, 7.800.
Signing visa matter and some kind land money like that. Obviously, all these are people. Now wow.
Yeah, what you wear your favorite cool.
They observe. We are watching.
Yeah, if you wear your favorite cool.
Just take care. Any idea be now? Don't want sir.
Respect my brother. Yeah, if you wear your favorite cool. You go wear godmother wear cool. You need you in Nigeria. You need Nigeria. A godmother fee on 7.8 million. My godmother need to get answer with social media. If I both get about I like godmother agbe. Who godmother help? Godmother will not get level. Godmother call it play God son 7.8 million. Bring and come social media except you know what bring and come. Anybody that scam anybody here, we will let him or her know that scammer is forbiddable. Forbiddable. Who do scam over dove over Nigeria venuye. Uma begi ivye bobe no scam. Uma begi ivye bobe no scam. If Jeff just collect people goods, keep people bail. Jeff carry almost 180 million people. He thief all of them. My whole day say about 5 million plus. And so husband, their property they side. The people will make me know you. According to that lady, said their property where they side worth almost 18 million. James, where is all these properties? You think say you just sell our goods like that, you dey peace for Germany here. Say because na Germany, they not get anything where they want to do you. But me, I tell you, if I see you for Germany, my brother, you go buy me. I not go leave you. You buy me. I not do you anything. But I go hold you. They cry for your head. I will just cry for your head, say, I beg go, make una call me, ask me my 5 points up. Now, waiting, I want to do with that thing. Police come. I don't get power to fight you. I not to say I want to fight you. No, I will never fight you. But I go hold you. If you dey kpai me, then make people know say na you kpai me. People go know say na you kpai me. Finish, no problem. But I go hold you. Just get out for my 10 years. I see you for Germany. I go hold you. And before I see you for Germany, I go to disgrace you every day for social media anytime I get chance. This one and I two platform now also. Maybe tomorrow or next, I want to pull YouTube journal. People go know you for YouTube. Then before I start to call those police for Nigeria, may they give your number. This your number like you change them. May they try, may they send out for all this DSS for Lagos. Anytime you call that, they go pick you for Lagos. All this money you go spend that for police. I go drag you, mess you, or make sure say you dey on top, you can't dey down. Police now want chop this 80% of this your prop, all this your richness, because you are a criminal. If police don't now say you get money, you dey play people money like this, police go enter your body. If they enter your body, they go chop you well for Nigeria. I go make sure say they know you. I go send your picture in the next 48 hours. This your picture wey dey this platform, you go police station for Nigeria. Fair just know, I go dey police station for zone 5. I will carry and go zone 5. Say, I'm not just enter Benin. Just they come down for Lagos. Make just from Lagos they enter where they enter. If you enter Benin, except I don't know. Except me no say you enter Benin. Since you not be Benin person, no problem. But I go still try. I don't take pick you for Lagos. I don't leave you. I don't give you peace. Oh. Now take outside, I'll give you peace. Oh. This one I preamble. Abola we gbe wagbon.
Big daddy ran okay. The matter if I
I worry about him well later. James, what you call the right? And now you call the right all this nonsense.
You don't say me go talk anything just now.
I never start your video.
Property where you don't say where you make go bring the money.
I never start your video. You don't go sell my properties. Carry people money for Germany. Thief, ole, atakparakpa no gyoji. OG, James, criminal. This man here where they my back so for TikTok. Now they talk about. This man don't collect people more than 23 million Nigeria money. The people where I know now, where we know now, according to our calculation, this man just finished scamming I and other family about 23-24 million Nigeria money. Just last 3 months here, November stroke today February. This man succeed is scamming us about 24 million Nigeria money. For what now? You dey crazy? You put glass for eye. You put that glass, that shade for eye. No worry, you don't worry. That man where they stand for you for Yoruba land. Now that man not go disappoint you. I'll carry your matter. I'll call the. People go talk about you well. People talk about you. So my people, for now, make I leave you now. Get topic where I be one can talk about today, but this animal not gonna let me talk about the topic. You dey talk say if God can't do now, the custom they can't release the load. Shame go cash enemy. My brother, earlier the better. Earlier the better. Quit the do now, because if you know how fast now, I go destroy your enemy. Oh. If you know how fast now, you go chop, you go come down well. So hard fast now. May we never go far. If we don't go far for this Facebook matter, my brother, I go reduce you well. Like I say, your business won't cost. So, you know, this year, you know, see people thief. We don't already do February. Next month, now is March. Now, so not they do one. December, now you just see they calculate. This year, you know, go see money thief again. It's over. There is no money again. Mugu no go come again. This is the last one I can fall for my trap. As my luck run against me, where I take give you load, the time where you want to big bevel your, now so that luck run against you, where you can carry my goose will be social media person like me. Your own is over. You not go see money again. This year, you know even if you go as this year. How you want to go as when they not give you load? Where you be 419, where you be scammer, you be thief, armed robber, criminal. You are a criminal. The German police will say criminal. You are a criminal. The Spanish police will say criminal. You are a criminal. Even Nigeria will say criminal. You are a criminal. You the ship car. You the ship house. You the ship this one. You the ship this one. You fair deliver. The second trip. Ugbebo yo. They call the tap to me here. They tell me about custom here. Custom kill you. They craze. God punish you. Popular everywhere you go. Don't worry. This one I preamble. This one I just preamble. You go see me pay for my money. You go see me pay for my money. Oh, I not go leave you, James. Thank you very much, guys, for your support. Thank you very much, every one of you. The way you share this video tonight, God bless you all. I really, really appreciate you people. So tomorrow we are going to be having a topic here tomorrow. We'll talk about get what I say for one platform. So anytime they do topic, we will put this criminal picture here. This criminal picture, we are going to be putting it here every day by day. So that people should know that this guy is a 419, is a scammer. That's it. A scammer. Okay? Because people tell me, see, this is not, my own is not even the first time. Not the second time, not the third time. It's your job. This is how you are doing it. It's your business. You even ask, say whether we get car, we want sheep. You ask. How about Ajenogi? Somebody saying, yes, Osaudion enemy, waiting the man thief you. Waiting thief me about 5.5 million. Plus one of our family member on, altogether is almost 23 to 24 million. He said the ship car goers. He said the ship house. He said the ship goose. Now goose now we give them. So goose where we give them, to the worth of those goose, our own is close to 5.something million. Nigeria money. So did you hear that now? Comment if you hear that. If now your brother, my brother, I beg, comment my here. I don't tell you now what you carry. I don't tell you now. Hear this music say Irwo. As I promise, I go make sure say I give you wahala. You know, carry this money go peace. TikTok, thank you very much. God bless you guys. We want to take share. We want to continue join me. Listen, this is what we stand on. We don't want to see 419 like this. You are a Nigerian person. You can't stand up and play Nigerian people to enrich yourself. It's not done. I be you to say me now if you come and say at the ship car go and smile they take people money. You say I don't fit one, you smart pass me. So thank you very much, Facebook. God bless you all. Please follow this page. I am Iye-eki Talk Show. In TikTok, Ajebor 123 blog on TikTok. YouTube, Ajebor TV on YouTube. Tomorrow we are going to broadcast on YouTube about this man, this criminal James, based here in Germany, Mayhem City. If una don't know him, una go know his family. Tomorrow una go see family picture here. In case una don't know, una fit know his family. That 5 million plus, I go bear am. I go bear am, but for you, you no go get peace. That juju man where they stand for you for my tongue, where it cause the man go disappoint you. Let me tell you, go disappoint you, James. Go disappoint you, James. You don't read the time where people want to know who you be. Like the time I come soon. God bless you all, guys. I'm leaving the show. The ambassador is leaving the show. Just to let you guys know that please beware of fraud, beware of scam. This guy is a scammer. He just finished succeeding scamming me about 5 to 6 million to my calculation of the pay I give to him to take to transport to Nigeria. Don't be only my home, no. That one not my home, but other family, oh, why I know what almost 18 million. They don't see their home because they tell me custom. Then you just come and say custom, silver, custom. Thank you very much, guys. Peace out. TikTok, God bless you. On Facebook, thank you very much. God bless you all. God bless you all. You know, say this man, now your family member, now your family person, act fast for him, because this one he go really pain him. Mo ta sege no ele pe o era no ge era me no ge Rita o ma wa ba me le ra no aya sa je bo tati o odolebo le we ni o odolebo no. God bless you, TikTok. Thank you very much, TikTok. God bless you all for joining to listen to my voice, to listen to my side of this story. Like crime say we give her bail, carry go house. Tomorrow I go show na the bail. Some of una don't know what the bail now. So you dey like me say you see me now say I dey online. What do you expect? No say something like this happen say na social media. Now we dey run dey come. That's why you need to be careful. You don't know people when you go dey fraud. You don't know. Go fraud another person. Crazy. They fraud Nigerian man like you. Yeah, Osarodio. 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 Hello. Good evening.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening, my brother. Aben, are you fair comment just now? Say, wait till the man take me, right?
Yeah, I'm fair comment because I know the man called my Oga.
Okay, good.
I let me carry load. Now make me ask.
Okay. Wait till the man take me. I tell you just now for there, but I want to tell you here now, my brother. Since 3 months, November, now this man carry our bail. We what to wait till we put for inside to our calculations from 5 to 6 million. But the family where we know this man through them. So then they are said that very day, then they are said still give this man about 3 bail. Where they say the woman confirm say waiting themselves give this man is about 18 million. That woman they cry, they go now and they talk. Now because the woman not be social media person. Now let me want to be media person. I don't get patient tire, my brother.
I don't feel bear them again. That's why I said this is the way they are behaving. And people will come and don't tell me, say, this is the way James is behaving. He go deliver, then the next trip, he go strike. He go deliver, the next trip, he go strike. This is what they told me, my brother.
Okay, wait. If people will talk that one, not to just terminate person name. This man a person I know for long.
Yes.
I know that James. You understand? I know a lager. I Miami they stay. Me na Miami himself. Me
exactly. Stay. I don't mention my here, sis. Now I don't lie. I say na Miami they stay.
Na Yoruba man.
Good.
So I know her very well. Okay. Not be who I don't know.
Okay.
You see this load of 18. As they talk custom, if it be saying the truth.
Okay.
See, you know why I talk and say it help me carry load well. It they help me carry most of my even cars. I dey buy motor, I go load that, it go carry am. The guy when you help me carry like that still. Before I feel they use at that time. So you can't get sometimes you don't come to the carry load that time. So you can't say custom. So I can't give one Benin man when they demand it from Essen, they come my name. So I can't carry load give them. That load, then I carry give that man. I think I give that man that load should be around January, February, March, May. No, Abi, around April. I go get that load for December ending after Christmas and New Year, after Christmas, almost New Year. That man tell me say my load enter Durimo. Say the container enter why? The man they push like 4 containers, but I don't carry in matter. Come out for social media. You see, sometimes all this custom, they get waiting they happen. You know, say now every day Nigeria be they change laws. If you be say the constant person they use, feel not the office, you say make you use another person. Load go delay. I will not say once load container don't delay, you can't enter Durimo. Once you don't enter that Durimo, you can't pay extra money.
Okay, let me quickly let you know this, my friend Osahon. This one will not be illegal. This issue don't come up from SC Portal. He said a new Lagos road or area custom way day all this express for new Lagos road. Now he stop the car. This man tell us say he get registered car. Where they carry something from Lagos now they go different states for Nigeria. So why be say the custom way called day express for new Lagos road where they stop car now he stop this bus carry and go to their office now with this so. Is he not in the position to have claimed it? My brother, this one not the inside support again. Now support you the explain. He say do more they enter do more. This one no. This one I say the goods not the direction to Benin according to him. He don't they go Benin according to him. My brother call him and ask him say one man they like they call Mr. Ajebor. May he explain to you. The law don't they go Benin, my friend. He don't they go Benin where he say custom for express. Now he control them so. If first time said they say may bring 2 million, he said they say may bring 3 million, he said they say may bring 5 million. He go try and settle them. He have been promised, my brother. He have been promised. How will you have goods of people that worth almost 100 million, 200 million? You cannot able to settle 5 million for custom, for example, brother. Okay, fine. Even though it happen like that, as you come, so tell me how you want to give me my money. Should I just be happy and I lost my goods like that? Is that possible?
No, it's not.
But the man is not saying anything reasonable now.
They wanted to use for December.
But you don't see us then when you don't talk.
My brother, we talk this evening now. We talk this evening now, and a story they give me. Story. Now tell them I say I don't get patient again. I want to tell them for social media who you be. As he know now say me dey like he write me here now. He write me say maybe custom say amuko no problem maybe na so live God say make it happen. This is what the man is writing me here.
Yeah.
See him now, see James. See him now.
I'm not that. You know say sometimes you see this all this constant. You know say you know where sometimes I not that you say.
Oh, this started not this started where.
You understand?
It's too much going on.
I know that you say what you talk now lie. You know say this along this Benin Benin Lagos road, this side, this road there. You know say the custom way they there sometimes they get ready to the art because you know why I talk it don't help me carry load like that.
But you hear what me talk is my brother. Your whole don't lost.
I hear what you talk. I hear say you say the custom way they.
No, not be that one talk, James. Not be that one talk. Your whole don't lost.
this period I never give a load, but I know how many load I don't.
But you know what? When you know what people tell me,
it go still later reach.
you know what people tell me. They say this man they use system that they say you go give a load, he go deliver. Another trip, he go base am. It be like say me con lock con run against me say the trip where the fraud people na my own come be. Me I not talk say the man not dey deliver. I not talk like that. But why not deliver my own, my brother? Why not deliver my own?
You go deliver your own. That one a big lie. No say where something don't happen.
Call her now. Call her if na your friend. He know say I dey media. May do the settlement.
People go begin to talk like that.
He has to do the settlement. He should call.
You go see your load. No say when something happen. Even person will not like if like for example, person I used to do the business now. Say something can't happen like that. Even people will not feel like it before. Go talk say now so you dey gbé load, now so you dey gbé load. Now say people go talk. I never this man don't help me to do load for the past how many years? Any of my team. Sometimes complain they come say custom do like this for road along that Benin Lagos Benin road. You go say custom seize the load.
My brother, if na businessman make it fine I want to settle me because me never start the issue. I don't promise him. If in a man where they make 10 million, for example, or $1 billion in a year, but I go reduce them. You know, reach like that again. That's the truth of the matter.
Right.
I go reduce them. I'm going to reduce him. That's it.
You never not say when something happen, people will begin to talk, say now say they do. Because since when me I don't know for many years, they never do something like that. Say person give and load, this, no. Something like that. I just screw past TikTok now. I just jam and say, waiting. Okay, just a person can't see now. That make me self.
Thank you.
And that make me write that comment. Waiting in thief.
Yes.
Because not understand. That's why I can't come up.
You know, say I explain with you. I explain to you now with peace. I be peace man. Now this man and I cause this problem, and I not go take a lightly with the man.
No, guy never reach like that. No. You not see senior man. You
no
be
problem.
Like you still be like father.
No problem.
You never reach like that. Now waiting, we will just settle and make it. Myself, I go talk to her. Once I come down now, I go call her. I go tell her say, oh God, senior man, say the beer, but waiting so.
No problem.
That make me call.
All right,
not
no
like
problem.
Like
thank you. I go to wait. I go to wait. This one episode 1. So may not pray. May this episode 100 though. It go reduce and well. Thank you. All right, no problem. So my people, let me leave us for now. Like I said, Augustive, God bless you. Backup page, thank you very much. Really, it's not nice. It's not nice. It's not nice. I'm Amiogba, I'm your boo. That's it. It should let me know how it's going to return my goods for me. You can't just come and say custom. Then you just come out like that. Your business where you do. When me I remember years ago, a friend called me where he said I use my money buy ticket. I bet deliver this thing for me for house. The thief I might come, I pay. And not be my business. Now help I do help. But I pay. Then now this is your whole business. Your whole business. You said you are import and exporter. If the thief goes, pay me my money. What do you talk now? It's okay. I will give you. You said it's 5.something million. I will give you your money. But if that goes inside rich, good. If it not rich, I will go cost. Put you can't just say custom. Then you just realize like that. This animal one time this will say, I beg, Mr. Ajebor, if you yourself you help me. You say me will give you goods, man, I can't help you. Collect goods from custom. How want to do one? I know they stay in Nigeria.
I pay you everything.
I pay you everything when you ask.
Do what you want to do. If not social media, anything you want go, make you go.
And last word wey come tell me when I tell him say I will bring you call social media, I say no problem. Just imagine this is how they are behaving.
You say if that one can give you your property, you can go there.
He said no problem.
Thief, you don't say something, eat and finish. Use that until you go buy food, go give your family where go shop or kill. Where go shop where you go kill them. I never see anything. Now God will punish you. I don't want to cause this one where they call just now. If your load never lost, you will still feel am for body. Make you defend what you don't know.
Juliet, thank you. You just can't tell me like that. Just say custom.
Lord, when they carry go give family for December, they don't see that load they do December. You go they play next week. Ajebor not worry. Next week he go come out. Ajebor not worry. Next week he go come out. They go report am to police. He still use the sweet mouth take pass ground pass.
Because they put jazz for mouth, James. Tell they talk to people.
God punish you. Now problem for problem. Now you go dey fall put as you fall for this one. So if not true.
God bless. Thank you, Oga Steve. God bless you. Thank you. I go give your number. Your number. Me go give her to police for Benin. They go contact police for Lagos. They go track you. This your picture go dey Lagos. I go this money for you to chop this money free. You go spend that for police for Nigeria. And let me tell you, they go worry you. The house where you dey build, they go worry you. You go tender how you take build mansion. They go worry you. Police go chop your money where. I go cause that problem to you. Let me tell you.
If you fail they eat people, now this one I go hang for your kids.
You don't know. Aswasu I ready here.
As also load now you go dey lost.
Aswasu I ready here.
You go use your money to push. You go lost now. As we use our money to push our house, so when you say you collect money where you want to push you collect money where you take claim for Benin. You collect money where you want to put for bus where they carry and they go Benin. You can't say
I pay money for bus too.
That's your load go dey lost. If you dey push, they go out now. Now problem now you go still get for that.
Jody, thank you for the
you
gift.
Our load. If you never release our load, now so lost that you go dey lost for the business where you dey do. Even the work where you dey work, now so lost you go dey lost.
Amen.
Now so lost all your family go dey lost.
Amen.
Now backward now you go dey go.
Amen.
Except you release that load. That load where you for not collect all.
Thank you for the gift, Joy. Joy, thank you.
Load where don't reach Benin, it don't reach Lagos. You say I already for Caesar. Now
Mose, thank you, Mose.
The day when you go pay
Amen.
now that you go die for.
Amen.
The day when you go carry load, now lost you go now if I go now only your load go lost for that property. You never say anything.
Amen. For what now?
People will expect that things for December. They don't say I don't reach their hands.
You just tell me custom. Just like that, custom.
Disappointment, you see disappointment. So wait for the load when you start to the carry now.
You must say thank you for the gift.
Now that disappointment, I go be your portion. Disappointment, I go be your portion.
Thank you.
Except that load, you go release that for where you put on. If you shop our money, now talk when I go be for your neck. You never know what you.
Let's say the great Happy New Year.
I know they pray man lay cost for person. If I lay cost for you, you will see for body.
Okay.
You will most surely see. And your mouth you can't testify.
My wife will never be talk. You know, if she never start to the talk, pussy, so the thing don't the verse out. Your problem go increase. You never know. Your problem go increase, oh my brother. This one are the last one where you do so. You know, if you scam people again, don't finish. You can never scam anybody again. Na devil na push you, might give you bail. This is Agameya OFA. I say go ask one woman. Go ask her. Na devil push you, might even cause you. Na devil push you. I don't say na devil push me. Because they said na so you did one. God go bless all of you for TikTok. You just go, they tell me custom, just like that, custom like that, custom. I'll just rest. You know, goose, why I give you for inside, wait, this side the bit. Yeah, like TikTok, remind all lying in the day. Hey, oh, worry, man, now. Eh. Hey.
And we are telling Udama, so no back here, we are mother will give a walk near us and a retire. Oh, yeah,
my son, where I go see. But I market.
Stuff away, young, where you said it be or
no, man.
Where they were.
No, man.
That's where you walk, near try being where we not need where you said it be or
at all.
If I bolla war any.
Oh, we have war. Oh, we have war. Oh, we have war. Oh, we have war. Hey, my people, I pray may play. I don't see him. Oh, my play. Delete one me, mama play. I be seeing here, you know, play. My play the video tone. I'm gonna see him. I go bring her come out tomorrow. I'll bring the video come out tomorrow. More what delete one.
except for you will do it and go scot free. If not,
make una say I be one show now. About aje me nije mommy p nije about aje no gie.
Zaga no muda wera ma lawe gbe. Ya we okman we am do we give away bonus no. Wa ye me si koda wa o we ro me si. Wa ye mi da koda wa. Emi da ni o be aro da.
O be alele kia.
You can never do me anything and go scot free. Any man ari abi wo. Umio fire to fire no.
You just come tell me say custom. Just hello mama, baby, are your butter? Hello, mama. Hello, mama. Hello. Ide hold on. When Italian. E ma ani no mu ye no te mu ekpore no jobo je boni e video ni send igwe wa ti send me mana ko mo enta bi social media no ji no re ne o ma mu ye re he bo ya no vio ihe igo pie yo du vio o ji ya working e custom ya wo wa ya duro we custom ni babola egbe video ni me ugi wa ni na kam wa we here no wa expect o yeah, dog west or show a side when you send the email. Koji. Imam, tomorrow I can show now. My dear, like TikTok, Irena Zegemo, like the correct phone. Phone are you, me want me, papa now. My dear said, no, for what reason now? You just call like that, just call tell me. Custom, just like that. Custom, just like that. You put something for math.
You never talk how you want to settle person.
You not talk how you want to settle me. Custom, just like that. Ajebor, custom. The funniest thing, my people, you can't tell me, say, Ajebor, if you know you can even help me to claim the load. Yeah.
No, if you can help me to...
If you can even help me to...
Well, if you can help me to... If there anything you can even help me to...
My people, Mona see what you can't tell me. My people, Mona join me now. Mona help me, oh. This one don't pass me. The man constantly they tell me, say, Ajebor, Mr. Ajebor, if you can also help me to solve this problem. Now me give you load, you they do the business, say me I can help you solve am. If I say the man just see me finish, oh. Why the man go just see me finish like this now? Hey, what me meant for? He just come me, be like say come my enemy mugu. He tell me say, Mr. Ajebor, please, you can still help me to, please, can you help me to solve it?
Just when they give you want try whether it will work.
My people, when I see what somebody tell me now, the man just look me, the man just look me nobody.
Maybe you will come and ask and say, we're going to do now. Let me suggest. We won't try whether the jazz will work.
Why have me born out there?
The Chris. Just now juju you want use juju for.
You say Oga Steve. But oriye mi you mind. I not like guest time. I want to tell me this evening. Me with the man talk not quite 3 hours ago. I remember the man tell me say, I beg, Mr. Ajebor, if there's anything you can do to help me, okay, what you go say man do? Now me give you something worth almost 5 to 6 million. Now me want to help you. This one not be scammer. He just look me say I not be anybody. I not fit do anything. Where say kakaboji? Where say?
You don't know where I want use our face.
See my people. Now wait dirty talk. I don't know whether I see on Facebook. See this one at the pay where I give this man. Oh, now they say na me they roll it back. So when they say na me be this. Oh, mona see waiting I give the man. We don't this bag. We don't roll out. We don't load down. Not be small load. There you know fit carry am. Na two men they carry load down. So 2 men. See now be this. Oh my people. See now waiting I give the map. You know see all that bag where they ground. All this one and this family where they that house. This man come that they come collect about 5 bags or 6 bags for this house. They say he deliver one. That one go Abuja. Why you not come deliver the one where go Benin? TikTok, say I don't know whether you wanna go fish him. Oh, I show a TikTok. Oh, I apologize. But I show it now. See for TikTok. Oh, now be this so TikTok. TikTok. Mona say this one I waiting. I give her. Now with the rose, so see the pain. See now with the rose. So now me wear yellow shirt. So now me wear yellow shirt.
Especially they sweat as they tie that thing that day.
My people, see sweat. You just carry my goose. You say na custom.
All my jewelries, all my native, carry and go Nigeria where I don't sew.
Oh, meaning that they say for TikTok. Oh, he must say the bag big. Oh, God go bless you. He must say. I'm not lying now. Why should I lie against the man? This is it now. This is it. Check what he go there bag like this. Where two men. This man where they follow me, they load us. So he's a 50 years old plus man.
That one oh rich chiri.
That one oh rich chiri. They all rich chiri with all that man home for there. Where go carry. Where this criminal go carry that night for that house.
This one our own. Now 2 Ghana must go. We can't load that for 1. Now 2 we take carry and come up for house. 2 big Ghana must go. The man can't help us press on. Can't be one. If you see the way they heavy. We won't just carry. They give out to this thing custom.
He sold all in Benin as he come out back to back. He say the robber. That's what they are doing. Probably this man don't give all people bail to a family. Made the families they sell, and this is how they are making their billions. This is how they are making their billions. People sweat. Use it to be making their billions. You can't just come here, you'll be telling me custom. The funniest thing the man is asking me, Mr. Ajebor, please can you help me? Oh, the man see me finish. Hey. What thing I want to do? This man see me finish. Hey, Jimmy. He must say wedding because the man knows so now they buy better thing. Yeah, gave me a little work money. Hey, hell, hell, hell. The funniest thing, the man asked me, say, Mr. Ajebor, if you officially help me, hey God, me go help you. I want to help you. When you don't teach people goose. We just you put for mouth, they talk to me this evening, I can't help you. We just now. Now see finish with this.
Now they just say me you can't disgrace them for social media. TikTok.
Hey, see my people for Facebook, see. Wageo. Wabege boniga afun e woto. Na me wear yellow so na me be this so mona see wetin I give this man o.
They pity you daddy.
Obege wo come. Wageo face TikTok. TikTok wageo. Anyhow na take for TikTok mo na look at the bag now with the tumble so they tumble they matter they fall down. Like I said, I don't get power. But people go ask you. I go cry to God. I go cry to God, James. James, I go to do and reach. You go to shit small for his part. Small for his part. Now so your problem want to start. Now shit problem now I want to give you. Shit problem. Small shit. You know plenty o. It go to look like say you dey mess. You dey think say you dey play. You sit down with person, they say you dey smell. Now so your problem want to start. Mark am, call that man where you dey call. Tell am say see wetin person tell you. Now so it go take happen. If the man fit stop your whole problem, the next person close to you, you go see how that shit matter want to enter your house. Shit problem that you want to get. Now so you want to start. You look and say na joke I did. Thank you very much, every one of you. God bless you all. Let me call it a day. Tomorrow I will add YouTube to the channel. Susan Pazen say very bad on him. Must pay put. Must pay. God bless you, Sister Susan. Help me. A para me ya wefe. Me wedo wana da. Uwe. Merororo wedo wana da bego buhame ne motana. Merororo James wedo wana da mene para me ya wefe. Meneri o ma kari o ma gede. Even it ye bona even it be. Una wado gbe me you fu me. Una do fi me. Una wa mu mere meno. The man see me finish oh. The man really see me finish, but anyway, God pass you, God go ask you. He must say, the man say I not get power. He say I not feel ask, he say I not get level. Because if to say the man no say like me, the man cannot even tell me say, please can you? He say Ajebor, I bet if you officially help me. Me the gen say may I go help you. They claim goods for customer for New Lagos Road. This one will be used. They see 419. If they see criminal, it is say it's smart. Hope. I beg go make una not sleep. Oh, who be this? Hello. I beg make una not sleep. I not get power of my own. I beg. I not get power of my own. Mona not sleep. This guy man still receive a man still carry and come up for the last time. I don't know what he want to tell me.
Epa.
Eh?
Well, sir. Me and just the talk finish, so I just call her. So we just the talk finish now. I never reach like 3 minutes now. Me and just talk finish now. So me and him talk. He tell me everything waiting happen. You understand? He tell me say he tell you if they explain things to you. Say make him give you the logistic people when he give the load. Whether you go physically call them.
Me? From here they call logistic people company where you register. My brother, is that right? Is he a normal person?
You go believe say the load na Bini na the logistic way can give. Because when it explain to me, even person when me still know, I can still call that one. That one say it loads there inside, but he don't see it own.
Okay. Be like
So
say
you go see your own.
the man go need hot hand then.
So you go see your own. Not be say maybe now the logistic people wey carry and give. Now then the wahala dey. Now tell us wetin go happen once the load come, make him call you. You understand? He go call you because even get one of my friend wey he tell me say he say get one of my friend wey still give am load. Say he load still dey wey dey go Benin. Say even that one self, he never even the other one never even talk. Now call am so even that one tell me say he give am load, which is that last year November. That one tell me say give am load, but too put mad. You understand? So not because I say na person when I know, you go see your load. Baba, you go see your load.
Okay, thank you.
You go see your load.
Okay, no problem.
Talk finish now.
Okay, all right. Thank you. Thank you for standing and protecting and defending him. Okay, bro. I appreciate it.
No wahala.
All right, thank you. Yeah. Well, the warrior will have no wow. We want relax.
Now today, no one thief. No person want to thief. God punish you now. Don't go count money, just come. Suffer, they face the rest people. God punish you.
Stephanie, hello.
Fire don't they hurt you for body. You go see say that you go dey do for us the way you take pay the money.
Hello.
These are people where you go scamp they'll go sleep now will be. Just dey wait. You never put fire for your nyash, make your nyash dey hot. They not let you take sit down for one place. Hey, they run and bat, you go run, go this side, run, go this side. If you know say you strong, since now you the offense.
Thank you, Susan Pazen. God bless you.
You know.
Now, my people, God go bless you now. So, Epana, so the Bio, Juliet, God go bless all of you now. So for now, we don't come today. We don't come let una know say see wetin happen o. So maybe tomorrow video now is going to be another dimension. So we not use YouTube today. Tomorrow we fit add YouTube journal. And maybe from if you don't reach 1 week now, I'll start to come with egogo. So I need to call it shake egogo. You know, so 5 to 6 million naira is not a small money. If I'm not making mistake, we are talking about 3,000 to 3,500 euro or 4,000 euro. You know, so like that, okay? So thank you very much, everybody. God bless you all. I really appreciate for joining me, for giving me listen ear. Thank you very much. God will protect every one of you. In Jesus' name, amen. God not go let una fall into the hand of a scammer like this. And the day when one can talk to una, go put something for mouth, they talk to una. God will never let you people jam a scammer like this because money they hard. If you want scam person, James, go scam people, other people. I don't want to make sure their name. You know people who supposed to scam. I know, no problem. But not be Nigerian man like you. If they trust you now, you get mansion for Yoruba land. And people don't know say na thief. Now you take build mansion. You they look me now, not be sure I want to talk and ratio. If you don't they go, don't they read like 2 weeks now, don't they talk your matter. You know they see toilet go again. You tell your mind will tell you now, say, now so I talk and reach. No. I never start. If I don't start, your mind go day. Let me tell you. If I know if you do one, I go carry and give other people. Your mind go day. Your mind go day, James. I go reduce your money. I go reduce your weight. If you feed it, you fed the play people for one at the end of the year, you fed they get 50 million. You can't get 2 million or 3 million. I go reduce you. Only that one. If only that one I want to do you. If I don't do you that one, I go leave you. Then I'll lay cost upon you every 1 o'clock in the midnight. Every 1 o'clock. I go do and you go they see small coffee.